Are you looking for a boat that has it all? Trailer, something for your family to go out in the sandbar. Maybe you have little kids and you're worried about them, jumping off and the prop being in the water. Well, we have a 19 SPX that comes with the trailer, is an inboard outboard, so she'll have a swim platform that the kids can safely jump off of, and you'll get 5 years of warranty on its 200 horsepower engine. Come check her out. This is the 19 SPX from Sea Ray, 2023. We just received it in. Let's take a look. Full sea deck, all on the swim platform, and you also have a 4-step stainless steel ladder to make getting on and off the boat relatively easy. Plus, this compartment here, we can't show you because this one's in the way, but it'll fold down to expand this platform area. Then, as we walk into the cockpit of the boat, you'll notice that this is the sand interior, the dune interior, which is really, really rich and luxe. Kind of gives a nice contrast to the boat. Nice folding Bimini top as well. And as we open the engine compartment, what we can see here is that all of the maintenance fittings are at the block of the engine facing towards you, not towards the end of the boat, which does make maintenance for this inboard outboard engine relatively easy. You do have cooler storage as well, and deck storage all throughout. So if you're into water sports and the kids want to go tubing, you have a place to stow all those water toys away. Plus, here at the bow, check this out. This becomes a nice little tanning area. So if you want to catch a little sun and enjoy a perfect day out on the water with your friends and your family, please give us a call. Number's 305-316-0627. I'm Joannie Machine.